Dark traders, come here. Welcome to Darkwave Trading, and as always, my name is Daxins, and I always begin by asking something very simple. I want to know why you are doing this. Why are you doing this? And why are you here? Hoping that you have the right reasons. Alright. And after that, we normally go quickly to give you this disclaimer. Please take your time. This is not like terms and conditions. I don't want you to skip anything. Don't be lazy. Don't procrastinate. Read the whole of it. Right? After that, I always say that if you don't know the rules of the game, then that simply means that you are a piece in the game to be used, misused, manipulated by the real players. Right? Now, today I want to go over forms of Forex scamming. I really love this one. Right? I love this one. So number one, we're going to start off with broker scams. There's two ways that a Forex broker can scam you. They are fake brokers and they are unregulated Forex brokers, right? Fake brokers pose as legitimate brokers, but actually they are just fraudulent, and then they get you to deposit your money in the name of trading, and before you know it, they disappear with your funds, or manipulate your trading the trading platforms to your disadvantage, such that you make losses and they get your money. The other ones are the unregulated brokers, that if they are unregulated, they get to do with you whatever they want. Legitimate brokers are typically regulated by financial authorities in their respective countries, so you might want to make sure you have done proper research of a good Forex broker. Another one is signal sellers scams. People will sell you signals and then you will liquidate your assets, take a loan from the bank, and try to use those signals to make yourself a millionaire. So be wary of individuals or companies selling Forex signals. I don't do that. I've never done that. That guarantee high profits. Many of these signals are unreliable. Some of them are fabricated to lure unsuspecting traders into making poor decisions. Okay, so don't do this. Don't. The other type of scams are called bots, automated trading system. Okay, somebody is going to want to sell you their trading bot. This is a bot, and because you think it's a trading robot, so it's going to be, computers don't make a mistake. That is what you assume. But I want you to know that you're dealing with the markets here. Anything can happen, and these things can incur you a lot of loss. Some sellers promote automated trading system. They are called EAs, expert advisor, that claim to generate significant profit. And in reality, many of these systems are ineffective or designed to lose money. Another type of a Forex scam is Ponzi schemes. Ponzi schemes, you know how they work, but they are here. They use your funds from new investors to pay returns to early investors, creating a Ponzi scheme that eventually collapses and they disappear and you're left with deficits. Another one that I've seen in many social media sites is phishing or identity theft. I'm pretty sure somebody is going to steal my identity pretty soon. You're going to see people start over accounts here and there, claiming it's Daxins or claiming it's for Darkwave Trading, and then you go there and then they're trying to sell you things. You've seen this. You've ever been in Twitter and then you figure out, like, how is this prominent trader following me? And in reality, that's not that prominent trader. It's someone who has phished or identity theft, and then they're trying to look legitimate to steal personal or financial information. Always verify the authenticity of a website or of a social media account before providing any sensitive information, please. And as I said, we are not selling anything to you, so be wary. Okay, be careful. Another one is educational scams. This is where people give you overpriced Forex courses. Some scammers offer expensive Forex trading course. I've ever seen one scammer selling the trading, the candlestick Bible for $100, and people were buying the candlestick, and that is essentially free. So they claim they can turn you into a successful trader overnight, which is not the case. This is going to take time, and often the material is not valuable and the promises are exaggerated. Then you'll jump to another and to another, and before you realize you've been moving in circles. I've ever been scammed with the next one. It's called account management scams, right? unreliable account managers. They tell you to give them credentials, and then you'd be making money, and then you withdraw and you pay them, but that doesn't happen. So entrusting your funds to someone claiming to be a professional account manager can be risky. It's risky. I've been scammed like this. Some fraudsters may take your money and disappear. I've had people go through this, so don't be stupid. Okay, don't give your credentials. Even now it's really is important. Sometimes you know the basics of what you're trying to deal with or the business that you're trying to engage in before you try to make any investment decisions, right? So that is why I'm providing you with a well-detailed basic knowledge, basic concepts that are going to be of help to you. Another one is misleading advertisement. False claims. Be cautious of advertisements that promise guaranteed profits or minimal risks. I see this in YouTube every single time. Somebody tells you they're going to offer an RR of 1:100. That's unrealistic. They're going to have a trading plan or trading strategy that have a 99% strike rate. That is madness. As I said, you'll see those thumbnails. The thumbnails in YouTube are very enticing, and you're going to take your time and you're going to go through what they are teaching, and then you're going to try that in the market, and then you're going to cry later. Okay, you're going to cry. So genuine trading involves risk, remember that, and there is no guarantees of profit. But if you know how to play the game properly with the risk management, that is how we end up being profitable, and not only profitable but consistently profitable. There is another one called cold calling or pressure tactics. I've seen this one. This high pressure sales calls. When they have a course, when they have a course they want to sell you, or when they have a boat they want to sell you, or anything, they're going to tell you it's on 50% discount, and then you're going to rush your ass to find money to pay that 50%. It's on offer. You're going to pay it. They'll say we normally sell it at $1,000, but for now we're selling for $500, and you're going to find $500 and buy whatever they're selling you, and then assuming or pretending or saying that it's going to make you money, but then again you will end up losing. So the final one is mirror trading scams. This is where people manipulate their trading performance. Some use mirror trading services that may provide manipulated or false performance records to attract investors, and once you invest with them, all of a sudden they just disappear. So you be wary of Forex scams. Now you know in which forms they come. So be careful, my friend. Be careful. Please